In today's video, I'll show you how to block time in Acuity Scheduling, step by step. If you want to prevent clients from booking during breaks, meetings, vacations, or personal time, this feature makes schedule management much easier. First, log into your Acuity Scheduling account and go to your dashboard. Once you're inside, open the Calendar section from the left side menu. This is where you can view all your appointments and availability. Now choose the date and time you want to block off. Next, click directly on the calendar or use the Add New button. From the available options, select Block Off Time or Unavailable Time. After that, enter the details for the blocked period. You can choose the start time, end time, and even block entire days if needed. For example, you can block lunch breaks, vacations, meetings, holidays, or any time when you do not want appointments to be scheduled. You can also add a title or note for the block time, so you remember why that period is unavailable. Once everything looks correct, click Save to apply the changes. Now Acuity will automatically prevent clients from booking during the block time slot. To confirm everything works correctly, preview your scheduling page and check that the unavailable time no longer appears for booking. If your schedule changes later, you can always return to the calendar and edit or remove the block time. Blocking time is a simple but powerful way to stay organized and avoid scheduling conflicts. And that's it. You've successfully blocked time in Acuity Scheduling and improved control over your calendar. And that's how you block time in Acuity Scheduling. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.